First up, I'm going to cover what is a freelancer. Have you ever heard that term before? I'm sure you've heard terms like self-employed, sole trader, limited company. These are all terms that we hear when talking about running our own business. Now, typically a freelancer is somebody who's self-employed. The terms are used interchangeably. And a freelancer is usually somebody that works on different projects with different clients. Maybe somebody that's not selling a product, but more likely a service. And they might have lots of contracts, lots of clients, work between different things, different people. That's the kind of thing that would be classed as a freelancer. But the terms self-employed, sole trader, small business owner, they also mean the same thing. The most important thing to remember when you're self-employed is that you pay your own tax. That's a big one, and we're going to talk about tax in some of the upcoming videos. Now, to be considered self-employed by HMRC, you should be in control of your business. You should pay your own tax. You set your own rates and your own hours, and you're able to substitute yourself with someone else and still complete the work. There's lots more information about running your own business or being self-employed and what that means legally on the HMRC website. Now, you can be employed and self-employed at the same time. And when you're employed, you pay your tax through PAYE. That means you receive a pay slip and your employer pays tax on your behalf. So they take the money out of your gross salary and they pay HMRC, so you don't have to do it. When you're self-employed, you organise that yourself. That means that you will complete a self-assessment tax return. And if you decide to have a limited company or a partnership, those are more complex types of businesses. And you should seek financial advice about how to run those businesses and what the tax implications are. But most commonly, when you're self-employed, you will pay income tax, you'll pay national insurance, and if you have to, you will pay a student loan. And that will all be calculated when you complete your yearly tax return. A tax return is completed after the 5th of April each year, because the tax year runs from the 6th of April to the 5th of April. And then you have until the 31st of January to complete an online tax return and pay the bill. If you're submitting via paper, you have until the end of October to submit the paper copy. It's very common that the terms of self-employment are used interchangeably. A sole trader is somebody who completes a self-assessment tax return and trades on behalf of themselves. A self-employed person is also the same. Freelancer, small business owner, it's all kind of the same thing. Freelancer really refers to that term of working with a number of clients or a number of contracts in that way. If you have any questions about the legal status of your business, you can find out more at HMRC, and you can contact an accountant or financial advisor for more information.